Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add NAS100 on MetaTrader, or it's going to be NASDAQ on some other regions. Now, before you can add NAS100, you have to make sure that your broker supports trading on this type of market. So with that, you can just click on File, click on the Open an Account. From here, you then want to select your broker, and then you want to simply log in your trading account credentials. So basically from there, the next thing we can do is to right click on the market watch right here, click on symbols, and then you want to simply look for the indices symbols. To basically make this easier, you can just simply search for NASDAQ and it will then present it right here. Now, this is the only thing supported on my country or on my region, which is the NASDAQ Incorporated. Now, another way to do this is by heading over to the click to add button. From here, just search for NASDAQ, and then NAS100 will open up right here, or depending on your broker, it will then show up on the side or on the drop down menu. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.